Hello guys, and welcome to our next video tutorial. As you see, we are learning iteratively how we can add async IO queue support, asynchronous queue support to our project. And for this video I have a couple of changes to make in order to wrap up with our queue change. So first change, the question is that how we can indicate if the produced frame already processed by face detection or some other things. So the first change is I'm going to add, first of all, the print statement that we are inside the producer. This is just for debugging, the inside the producer, and let's just change this tuple object to the list object, because the tuple object is immutable and we can change their elements. So this is a third element we are adding to our list object. This is a none. The none is indicating that this is a fresh frame and still is not processed. Second change, I would like to add inside the consumer. Let's just print here that we are inside the consumer. So inside the consumer. And I would like to disable this external face detection feature for now. Just simplify our task, and I'm going to await directly from the show frame task. Right. And another change for our task is I would like to decrease this. Let's just keep it as a queue size. And the next change is I would like to comment out this await async IO sleeps. This is just for our test purposes. Let's see how it can affect. And of course, if it's we are still disabled this run blocking func, but we need to make this change. So I would like to update the last element of this frame object to true, so indicating that it's already processed. So remember that we put this, if it's a fresh frame, the third last element is none. And if it's come back from this run face detection function, I'm going to update this as true. If we are here, let's just make change for run face detection code as well. So first of all, I indicated that this thing consumes a lot of time, so I would like to make them globally. Let's just fix this indentation issues. Nice. So what we have here, secondly, so I'm going to add some variables. So this is the camera name. It's just for easiness. So this is a frame, the first element of this list object. The frame status is the last element, and also the current frame is, of course, the second element. And we need to update this frame once with current frame, and what we have is, yeah, this also current frame. Nice. I don't think that anything else remained here. What we have is, so we can set this frame status to true and print some debug message. So end of face detection. And the object to return is camera name, the current frame, and also the frame status. Nice. We are returning, and then we are returning the frame. Let's check. Yeah, nice. Not this one, but we are returning directly the object itself. So not the frame, but the list object. And then in the main py, we are in any case still updating the last element of the list object and putting the frame back to the queue. I don't think that it will work because I have tested already, but we are still doing some progress on making our project more robust. Let's just check it. So build, and we are going into the container and main py. Now we have extra debug information from the inside producers. So there's an issue. So this added the timestamp, as you see, but I see that it's producing 2 times the frame and only consuming 1 time. So we have passed into the producer 2 times and then consumed 1 time. That will lead again the queue full issues. As you already seen, there's a freezing issue, and we are going to fix also these issues in the next feature videos. So that's it for this video. So we made some change. We added some print statements. We have disabled this face detection, but still made a change to this code. It will and should work in the future tasks. So yeah, that's it for this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.